Hello all. In our previous video we have seen how contact information from Magento is being exported to Mautic, and now it is all about Mautic, how it processes the contact information, uses the contact information and processes through campaigns. In order to run a campaign or send emails, there is a concept called segments in Mautic. And this segments, when you go to segments here, we see abandoned cart, new customers, best customers. So based on the filters for each customer, the information from Magento is passed to Mautic every time a cron is executed in Magento and Mautic. So they should be the crons running in Magento and in Mautic as well. By default, Magento processes the cron through shell with all the cron tabs, whatever, like if you see in the configuration, we just mentioned the time and the process. And in Magento there is a cron run command which basically executes all the crons and processes all the information. Similarly, in Mautic we have three crons: Mautic segment updates, Mautic segments update, campaign update, and campaigns trigger. These are executed in Mautic based on the time we provide, and when these segments cron is executed, the information from Magento to Mautic is passed to the segments here. And as you see here, you might be wondering what is the view contact one here, and when I clicked on the view contact one here, I see the customer with this email ID. This email ID, when I try to log in Magento front end, I will see that there is a cart which is left abandoned. I did it intentionally without doing any purchase. I left it abandoned, and when the crons got executed, this information of the customer is passed to segments here. Similarly, you can see newsletter subscriber. You can see 5 contacts here. These customers, like when we go to my account here in front end, we have newsletters option here. When I select this and save, and when the cron is executed, this information comes to segments here. You see few contacts here. For some reason I can't show you the shell access here. This recording is not showing the shell access here, but I'm running in the background. I'm running the command what I just shared with you, Mautic segments update. And when I run that command, Mautic segments update here, let's check. Still it is 5. Why? The cron has to get executed. Now the number of view contacts 5 which you see here will get updated, and you see this information size .s came up here with 6 contacts. Again, if I suppose intentionally remove that contact, remove that subscription, in Mautic, as you can see, I'm switching from Magento to Mautic. Once I save it information here, I'm switching it to Magento to Mautic here. I see refreshing it, it still shows view contact 6. Once the cron is executed, I'm going to run the cron manually. Let us come back after a while, after the cron is executed. So basically what we are seeing here is the segments of contacts are getting bifurcated here in Mautic based on the cron which is executed Mautic segments update, and this is this has to be set up in Mautic application in shell. Now the cron got executed for the newsletter part. Once I refresh it, again we see view contacts 5 and we don't see Syed.s because I unsubscribed it. In this way the segments are bifurcated in Mautic based on the cron which we execute. In our next video we will see how we set up campaigns. Thank you.